Hello guys, in this video we are gonna discuss about OR gate. Let's understand the OR gate in simple way. Without further ado, let's dive in. The Boolean expression for the OR gate is the logical addition of inputs denoted by the plus sign. Let's break down the OR gate in simple way. The output state of the OR gate will be high if any of the inputs state is high, else the output state will be low. Now we have an OR gate. It takes two inputs A and B. We take two inputs. The two inputs are 0 and 0. There are no high value present. That's why the output would be 0. Hereafter, the two inputs are 0 and 1. Since one input is high, the output would be 1. Hereafter, the two inputs are 1 and 0. Since one input is high, that's why the output would be 1. Hereafter, the two inputs are 1 and 1. Since all of the inputs are high, that's why the output would be 1. That's it for today. See you tomorrow.